got the summer project box from Mormino. Just thought it would be something kind of fun to do. I don't know if I'll make it right away, but I liked the print and stuff that it was coming with, and let's see what's inside. Pretty box even. So you get the welcome leaflet, which has links to the video and all these different tutorials. This is the pattern, which is the one crossbody bag that was in partnership from Sincerely Jen. And then you get a whole bag of cool stuff for making the bag. So you get the zipper, pink zipper, and then an I Did It label. This is a silver marking pen and the glitter wonder clips and a refill for the pen. I actually already have one of these, and it's really cool. And there is a So What notepad that matches the bag and the fabrics. And this is the cork-like label. This is teal. Kind of happy that I got the teal one. That looks really cool that she made. And then there is a matching water-resistant canvas that has Lauren's print. Isn't that pretty too? Lauren is so sweet, and then her stuff is really fun and really cool. She stocks a lot of really unique items that she makes or designs. But her channel is, you might have already checked out because she's a pretty good YouTuber. Is really nice. She's a really nice person, and then her content is very good too. So, and then the lining canvas, which is like a bluish teal, and then all of the hardware at the bottom, which is like a gunmetal gray or like silver matching hardwares. Then it came with the rose printed clips. There were some issues with some of these not coming out very well, but they are like the quality not being as good, but oh well, they're really cute and they're always handy to have little snips. And then this is really fun, a glittery acrylic ruler with the common, I think she was saying that it's the common cut for making zipper tabs or something like that. So that's fun. And then you end up with the ability to make that bag there. And if you're interested, Lauren has more of these, I'm pretty sure. And they're probably selling out soon. But there was a bunch left last I knew. And that's a pretty pattern and a lot of pretty fabric. And some really cool, fun, like matching notions that came with it all.